Arizona Poems. Rain in the Desert by Gould Fletcher. LibriVox.org by Alan Davis Drake. The huge red-buttressed mesa over yonder is merely a far-off temple where the sleepy sun is burning its altar fires of pinyon and tonon for the day. The old priests sleep, white-shrouded. Their pottery whistles lie beside them, the prayer-sticks closely feathered. On every mummied face there glows a smile. The sun is rolling slowly beneath the sluggish folds of the sky-serpents, coiling, uncoiling, blue-black, sparked with fires. The old dead priests feel in the thin dried earth that is heaped upon them. Above the smell of scorching, oozing pinyon, the acrid smell of rain. And now the showers surround the mesa like a troop of silver dancers, shaking their rattles, stamping, chanting, roaring, whirling, extinguishing the last red wisp of light. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.